stock trout, but look at that. What's going on, everybody? I'm starving, and today we're out at the fishing spot. We're gonna be targeting some trout. It's raining outside, so I'm not too sure if we're gonna catch a lot of fish today. I'm using a really cheap ugly stick I got from Walmart. Bird's nest on the line was real bad, so I replaced it with 20-pound braided line with just wherever little bit of line that was left on here for backing. I'm using 10-pound fluorocarbon leader, probably 5-6 feet worth. Tip of the rod's kind of nice, I like that. I'm using a water bobber slip, then about 1.5 feet worth of line right now. And I'm gonna use a piece of shrimp. And this time I'm gonna be using a circle hook. I also regularly use a snap swivel. This is very effective. I don't usually use circle hooks for this, but I wanted to experiment with it. Let's see what happens. I love the way this casts. It's kind of hard to see my bobber out there, but I can see it. I don't know if the fish are gonna be biting too much today because it's really windy. Something smells like weed. Well, it's not super windy, but it's rainy. See if I get a bite on this side. I might be way too shallow. Yeah, I'm way too shallow. Okay, well, there's a fish. Maybe I'm not too shallow. Maybe I'm just in the wrong spot. Well, maybe I just cast it in the wrong direction. I'm gonna cast this way now because I don't know. I hope you heard that little plop. Cast in just the exact same spot. Walk a little close. Oh, yeah. Oh, that worked so well. Ha ha ha. Oh, perfect. Ooh, that's got a little bit of fight in it too. Oh, that worked out perfectly. Well, video's over. No, we're not doing that. We're gonna get the fish out the hook real quick. If anybody ever sees this, they got little teeth on their tongue. If you can see that, that's pretty cool, right? You can see their little gills in there. Okay, we need to get you back in the water. Hold there for a second. Bye-bye. Let's do that again. Get my hook unstuck here real quick. When you're targeting trout, one thing you want to look for is movement in the water. If fish are feeding up at the surface, they'll make it very obvious to you, and you can just jump right on it. No issues at all. Let's see how big we can go for this shrimp. I'm usually trying to always go small, but I want to see how big I can go with these. I'm not going to change nothing else. I just want to change how big the bait is. A lot of people like using spinners and tossing jigs out, doing the bottom and all that, and all the artificial lures. I never really got into that. Only time I ever really use artificial is for like salmon fishing, because they're not really looking to eat. Just don't slip and fall, moron. Oh, did you just steal my bait? Nope. Something's moving it around. Oh, I know the bobber is hard to see, but that's kind of the point. Oh, that one pulled pretty hard. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, that's a nice one. Ooh, that's a very nice fish. Oh, that one's really cute. I mean, yeah, it's a stock trout, but look at that. Beautiful little fish. Oh, slipped. Oh, I slipped. Yeah, somebody else would keep this. I'm not going to keep this right now. I got way too much fish at home. Oh. All right, well, I didn't need to do no delicate release with that. You should seriously consider subscribing to my channel. Like, this is fun. I do this a lot, actually. Like, if you've never seen my live streams, shit. You know, fishing is very unpredictable sometimes, but if you got some good friends with you, it's a damn good time. Doesn't matter if you bring any fish home or not. So you can catch one more. Fuck it. I know there's an 18-incher in here. I love how flat this water is, even though it's a little bit windy. Like, there's not a lot of ripples in the water, so it's really easy to see this bobber. Well, for some reason, my camera paused. I caught a good-sized fish, and I don't know when it paused, but I've been out here for a little bit, and I've caught a couple of fish. So I know I got the first one, so let's see how many more we can get. You should really subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it, because I know you're going to learn something from this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with all your friends, and rewatch it if you have to for the good information. Have a great day. Later.